TU Dublin Hothouse is Ireland's leading knowledge transfer and entrepreneurial development centre. We support students and staff to commercialise their intellectual property. We also support entrepreneurs through their entire startup journey.
TU Dublin Hothouse have supported us from the very start of our journey.
Working with TU Dublin Hothouse has helped accelerate our business.
We're in a much stronger position now with the cooperation that we have with TU Dublin Hothouse.
We found dealing with Hothouse to be a very positive experience.
We have a great deal of experience here at TU Dublin Hothouse in executing innovation.
Our job is to act as the bridge between industry and the world-class research expertise here in the university.
To anyone interested in engaging with researchers, I would suggest to reach out and try it. Industry and academics have a lot to offer each other, and they just don't always know where to begin the process, which is where TU Dublin Hothouse can step in.
We came to them as undergrads and they helped us file our patent, form our company. They gave us excellent mentorship and advice, and they gave us our very own office.
We've secured 600,000 in seed funding and have also then been able to take space here in the Greenway Hub.
Hothouse have an open door policy. Go in and talk to them. They'll see where your idea is at. They'll see what supports they can offer you. It really allows students to bridge the gap from going from a classroom educational environment to the real world of business.
Take your idea to TU Dublin Hothouse as early as you can and really listen to what they're saying. They have infinite amounts of experience and knowledge about what it takes to get from an idea to a business.
I would recommend any startup or early stage company to engage with TU Dublin Hothouse. The expertise available, the access to facilities is second to none.
To learn more, get in contact with our team of experts in TU Dublin Hothouse.